Hello everyone. Today I'm excited to show you all tricky parts how to crochet a truly seamless hat. You'll see, you won't be able to tell where the round begins. I'll also demonstrate how to hide yarn when working with two colors. First, I'm using two colors, beige and white. I've already completed the first round, which consists of 12 single crochet. I'll now drop the loop from the 12th single crochet to show you how to create a chainless beginning of the round. So, I've dropped the loop from that 12th single crochet. Now, I'll go from the wrong side of the work and pull that loop back through. Then, I'll go to the first single crochet of the first round and pull the working yarn through. Then yarn over and insert into the front loop. So, we have the standard 3 loops on the hook, just as we need for a double crochet. Now, we simply complete our double crochet. Yes, that first stitch is done. We need to start every round like this. Now, we need to check the second yarn. Remember to position your second yarn between the current round and the stitches. This way, we hide it inside our stitches, and when it's time to work with it, it will already be perfectly placed. Nobody will be able to see it from the inside or the outside. Let's see. The yarn is now neatly tucked between the stitches and the previous round. Next, I'll show you how we change colors. Yes, as I'm making this double crochet, in the very last step of this stitch, we simply change colors and continue crocheting with the new color. Now we're working double crochet with white, 2 double crochet stitches into 1 stitch, as the second round consists of increases. You can see it clearly here on the finished one. You can see it easily. Great. I will also show you how to finish our hat so that nobody can see where the joining point is. Yes, this is the last stitch. We insert our hook from the wrong side to the right side and pull the drop loop to the wrong side. Now, I'll take it off the hook, pull a little bit, and cut off the yarn. We'll then use a tapestry needle to seamlessly tie in this stitch so it looks perfect. Now your hat looks great. Let's weave in all the tail ends. I think we have them at the end and at the beginning. We're almost done. And for the final touch, to make our hat look even better, we can wash it or use water, cotton cloth, and an iron to block it. This will make it smooth and polished. I hope you like it. Summer's here, so please enjoy your new basket hat. Bye bye.